Hey HLA readers, my name is Miss Seymour and I'm so excited today to be reading alongside you. We're going to read a classic Christmas storybook today, and it is called The Christmas Fox by Annick McGrory. Now, as you're listening to the story, pay close attention and have your listening ears on, because at some point I'm going to pause the story and show you the secret item. You're going to want to write that item down so you can collect all the mystery words during these weeks of Christmas story time. All right, are you excited? Let's read. The Christmas Fox by Annick McGrory. Come, drummed the woodpecker, a baby is coming. There's work to be done. There's news to spread. But the little fox stayed to dance with the snowflakes. Come, lowed the cow, a baby is coming. There's a place to make warm with sweet-smelling hay. But the little fox stayed to splash in the stream. Come, bleated the lamb, there are gifts to get ready with soft, cozy wool. Okay, readers, we just finished reading this page, and on this page, someone special is inviting the fox to come along. Do you remember who that was? It was a lamb. Here is our secret word. It's a little lamb. Okay, so you're going to want to write that down and then head on back to the story. But the little fox rolled in the cold, snappy snow. Come, whistled the bluebird, there are songs to sing the baby to sleep. But the little fox stayed to pounce in the snowdrifts. Come, whispered the stars, there is light to shine to brighten the path. But the little fox had no light to shine. He had no song to sing. He had no soft wool to collect, no warm home to share. Come, said the donkey, just come. It is enough. So the little fox came into the warm, glowing stable. And the little fox brought joy, and the baby smiled. The end.